Why is the right so afraid of everything? There's a biological reason for that. Neuroscientists ran multiple peer-reviewed studies, and they scanned the brains of thousands of people to see if there was a correlation between the brain scans and political affiliation. And what they found was wild. Conservatives have a larger, more reactive amygdala. That's the fear center of your brain. It processes things like fear, anxiety, and rage. Liberals show more activity in the anterior cingulate cortex, the part of the brain that handles complexity and critical thinking. Go figure. Now, these tests were so accurate, the scientists were able to guess a person's political affiliation 82% of the time. 82% of the time. Now, before you go screaming, fake news, this isn't one study. This is multiple independent studies across different countries published in journals like Nature, Neuroscience, and Current Biology. This is empirical scientific evidence, not opinion. Conservative brains run on fear. Liberal brains run on curiosity. The amygdala's job is simple. Detect threats and freak the f out. When the amygdala is oversensitive, everything new feels like danger. Foreigners moving into your neighborhood, threat. Spanish guy on the Super Bowl stage, threat. Being chill and not rage watching Newsmax, threat. Not because it is a threat, but because their amygdala manufactures a threat. This is why facts don't work on conservatives. You're not debating ideas. You're debating their terrified lizard brains. You present data, they feel attacked. You offer logic, their nervous system screams, danger! Every racist policy, every immigrant-based rant, every culture war panic, it all traces back to the same thing, a hyperactive fear response. The border crisis, amygdala. The trans agenda, amygdala. The war on Christmas, amygdala having a meltdown. And here's the part they'll hate. This means progressives literally have a more evolved brain. Comfortable with change, openness to differences, ability to update long-held beliefs. Progressive brains. Meanwhile, conservative brains are stuck in caveman threat detection mode. Great for 50,000 years ago. Horrible for modern society. Does this mean conservatives are stupid? No. Does this mean conservatives are evil? No. Does it mean that their political beliefs are driven by primitive fear instead of rational thought? Yes, exactly. So next time someone screams about immigrants or DEI or pronouns, don't debate them. Their amygdala won't let them hear you anyway. Just remember, you're watching a frightened, primitive brain try to make the scary new world go away, and it isn't working.